Fusion 360 is a parametric CAD software, but what does that actually mean? To explain this, I'll use a simple 3D model made from a single body. If you look at the browser on the left side and expand the bodies folder, you can see that this entire model is made from just one body, body 1. Below that, we also have the sketches folder. If I expand it, you will see all the sketches that were used to create this model. We have the first base sketch, then a second sketch, and finally a third one that was used to add more details later. And this brings us to the key idea. Fusion 360 is parametric, which means that if you change a sketch, a dimension, or a feature, everything that depends on it will automatically update. Let me show how this works. I'll select sketch 1. You can select a sketch from the browser, from the timeline, or directly in the workspace. In this case, I'll select from the browser. Right-click and choose Edit Sketch. You can also simply double-click the sketch. This is the base sketch that the entire model started from. Now I'll change one dimension. This rectangle is currently 120 mm long, and I'll change it to 100. Then I'll press Enter and exit the sketch by clicking Finish Sketch. And right now you can see the result. The entire model updates automatically, not just the base shape, but all the other features that depend on this sketch. Let's look at one more example. I'll select Sketch 2 and double-click the sketch. Here we have a circular dimension with a diameter of 20 mm. I'll change it to 15 and press Enter. When I finish the sketch, the result updates instantly. The hole becomes smaller and adjusts automatically to the new dimension. This is the real power of parametric modeling. You make changes earlier in the design and everything updates forward through the entire model. This doesn't apply only to simple parts like this one, it works the same way for complex models with multiple bodies and components. In short, parametric design allows you to work in a flexible, precise, and very efficient way. With this video, we are finishing the Introduction to Fusion 360 series. You have now learned the interface, navigation, display settings, preferences, selection tools, and the core idea behind parametric CAD modeling. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Bye!